Targeting a camp that Israel itself designated as a safe zone is another violation of international humanitarian law. Pakistan also condemns measures being taken by Israel against the creation of a viable and independent Palestinian state. Israel has no locus standi to decide about the future of the lands belonging to the people of Palestine. Pakistan firmly believes that the only just solution to the Palestinian question is the creation of a viable, secure, contiguous, and sovereign state of Palestine on the basis of pre-1967 borders with Al-Quds al-Sharif as its capital. We are also concerned about the arrest of participants of a Muharram procession in Srinagar under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act for raising pro-Palestine slogans. The incident shows how easily and frequently counter-terrorism laws are being invoked by the Indian authorities to oppress and intimidate the Kashmiri people. We urge the occupation authorities to immediately drop the fabricated charges against the arrested mourners and release them immediately. Pakistan will continue to extend political, diplomatic, and moral support to our Kashmiri brothers and sisters for the just and peaceful settlement of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with UN Security Council resolutions. Now an announcement. Foreign Minister of Turkmenistan, Rashid Meredov, will visit Pakistan from 22nd to 24th of July. He will hold extensive talks with Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Muhammad Ishaq Dar and call on the Pakistani leadership. The talks between the two sides will cover all aspects of bilateral relations between Pakistan and Turkmenistan and exchange of views on regional and global developments. Thank you.